Hey there, paddleboard enthusiasts. Are you looking for a fun and exciting way to enjoy the water with your friends and family? Well, look no further because I have the perfect solution for you, the Niphean Extra Large Inflatable Paddleboard. This paddleboard is specifically designed for 2+1 people or families looking to have a great time on the water. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced paddle boarder, this board is perfect for all skill levels. With its beginner-friendly stable track fin, you'll feel stable and secure as you glide through the water. One of the standout features of the Niphean paddle board is its extra-large size, providing ample space for multiple riders. This means you can bring your friends, family, or even your furry companion along for the ride. The board also comes with a waterproof phone pouch, so you can capture all your favorite moments on the water without worrying about damaging your phone. So, how can you use this fantastic paddleboard? It's simple. Just inflate it using the included pump, hop on board, and start paddling. Whether you're cruising along a tranquil lake or riding the waves in the ocean, the Niphean paddle board is up for any adventure. Now, you may be wondering how the Niphean paddle board stacks up against the competition. Let me tell you, this board is in a league of its own. With its durable construction, stability, and user-friendly design, you won't find a better paddleboard on the market. If you're still not convinced, let me share a few tips for using your Niphean paddleboard. Make sure to adjust the stable track fin to your liking for maximum stability. And don't forget to secure your waterproof phone pouch before hitting the water to keep your phone safe and dry. In conclusion, the Niphean Extra Large Inflatable paddleboard is the perfect choice for adults looking to have a blast on the water with their friends and family. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this board is sure to exceed your expectations. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your Niphean paddleboard today and start making memories on the water that will last a lifetime. Happy paddling!